Want your own private circle on Life360? Here's how to make it happen. First, open Life360 app on your device. Now, select Create a new circle option. Give your circle a name like family or friends. Then invite members by sharing the invite code or sending them a link. Once they join, you'll all be able to see each other's real-time locations instantly. Circles are totally independent. You can be in multiple circles without your group seeing each other. If your invite link is not working, make sure everyone has the latest version of the app. What's your circle gonna be called? Let me know creative names in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.